standard in Velamal. Today I am going to tell you how to make a wall clock, my project of wall clock. First we need a cardboard and a machine. It's a watch machine. Hours, minutes, seconds. And we need and stickers and glue and scissors. We need them to make. In the cardboard I staked 12 numbers. Now I'm going to fix the machine. First we put it here and press it tight and take this small screw and tight it. After fixing the machine, we need to put this one and this one. This is hours hand, minutes hand, seconds hand. Friends, look at my clock is working. This is now I finish my project. Bye. Thank you all. Bye all. Please like my project